Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the latest motorcycles shaping the road ahead. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Honda Shine 125, a commuter motorcycle that continues to be one of the most trusted names in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. For 2026, Honda brings subtle yet meaningful updates focused on efficiency, comfort, and everyday practicality. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 carries forward its clean and mature design while adding refreshed styling elements. The fuel tank features sharper lines with updated graphics that give the bike a more premium appearance. Chrome accents and a redesigned headlamp area enhance road presence, while the overall silhouette remains simple and commuter-friendly. The seat is long and well-cushioned, designed for both rider and pillion comfort during daily rides. At the heart of the 2026 Shine 125 is a refined 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine engineered for smooth and reliable performance. Honda's focus remains on delivering strong low and mid-range torque, making city riding effortless. The engine is tuned for minimal vibration and quiet operation, ensuring a stress-free riding experience. Whether navigating traffic or cruising on open roads, the Shine 125 offers balanced and predictable performance. Fuel efficiency has always been a major strength of the Shine series, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. With advanced engine tuning and improved combustion efficiency, the Shine 125 delivers impressive mileage, making it an ideal choice for daily commuters. This efficiency helps reduce fuel costs while maintaining consistent performance across varying riding conditions. Honda has prioritized comfort in the 2026 Shine 125. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and well-positioned foot pegs reduce fatigue on long rides. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads smoothly, absorbing bumps with ease. Whether riding solo or with a passenger, the bike remains stable and comfortable. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 comes equipped with essential modern features to enhance convenience and safety. Improved braking performance provides better control, while updated instrumentation offers clear and easy-to-read information. Honda's focus on durability and reliability ensures peace of mind for everyday riders. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 continues to be a dependable, efficient, and comfortable commuter motorcycle. With refined styling, proven performance, excellent mileage, and Honda's trusted engineering, it remains a strong choice in the 125 cubic centimeters category. For riders seeking a reliable bike for daily use with low maintenance and long-term value, the Shine 125 stands out as a smart and practical option. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates on the latest motorcycles.